June 26 is United Nations International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. In commemoration of the event, the Technical High School Old Students Association, THSOSA, on Wednesday held a one-day advocacy against abuse of drug for the students of its alma mater, Technical High School DSST Township Orunworu in Udu local government area. The report.
Statistics of drugs abuse in Nigeria is alarming, as the abuse is most prevalent amongst young persons between age bracket of 15 and 25 years. The implications of drug abuse are also far-reaching, as it affects the health, social and economic nexus of the consumers, families and society at large. Various speakers at the one-day advocacy lecture organized for the students of the Technical High School DSST Township Orunworu, including Adeshola Olabisi and Dr. Maria Okocha, said that there is need for students to shun drug abuse as it affects their lives, present and future. Hence, they must strive to build a rewarding future for themselves. The speakers also admonished teachers to pay more attention to their students, as many of them need guidance to divulge their minds and issues bothering them in order to seek counseling. They urged the students to be mindful of the caliber of friends they keep, as peer influence can lure students to abuse drugs and engage in all kinds of antisocial vices. National President of the Old Students of DSC Technical High School, Engineer Silvanus Ajuya, disclosed that the outreach program against drug abuse and illicit trafficking by old students was a way to address drug challenges in health and humanitarian crisis. Engineer Ajuya added that youth represent power, agility, development, ideas, transformation, creativity, and the 21st century thinking that are required to move a nation forward amongst the community of nations. Hence, they should be educated about the danger of drug abuse. He also noted that the old students have decided to partner with NDLEA to establish a drug-free club in the school that will help students champion the cause of advocating against drug abuse, adding that the school will celebrate the United Nations International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking annually.
Drug abuse is a dream killer. You want to be a doctor, you want to be a lawyer, you want to be anything. Drug abuse is the only thing that can stop you from becoming what you want to be.
Say no to drugs. Exercise a lot of self-control. Many things can be achieved through hard work. And if you're shy, you entertain anxiety, you're depressed, taking drugs will not solve the problem.
We say we are coming here to do the outreach program, and it's strategic because after that we are going to establish a drug-free club in this school, and this is going to be an annual event. Short of all this is that THS will be the hub of advocacy against drug abuse.
Principal DSC Technical High School, Mr. Joseph Sido, and some students expressed gratitude to the old students of the school and guest speakers for the enlightenment of the danger of drug abuse, promised to imbibe what they have learned, adding that they would spread the message of staying away from drugs and illicit trafficking.
I want to thank the national president and all members of the Old Students Association, THSOSA, for bringing up an idea that could, in fact, discourage my students coming behind them from the drug.
I learned about drug abuse and the dangers and the effects of drug abuse, and I promise to also spread the teachings that they taught us today on the effects and the dangers of drug abuse. I'm really grateful for this lecture they've given to us. Like, I've really learned a lot of how to prevent drug abuse and the dangers of drug abuse. And I promise to spread this message to my friends, families around, and everybody.
The event also featured drama presentation by students of DSC Technical High School on the dangers of drug abuse and illicit trafficking.